Assalamualaikum kelas. Waalaikumsalam, Miss. Good morning. Morning. So, how are you today? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. So, before we start our
Hi, good morning. What is your name? My name is Jessica. You can call me Jessie. What is your name? My name is Lizzie. You can call me Liz. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. Where do you live, Lizzie? I live in Gunner Tower, close to police office. And you? I live in Ranking, close to Angie Dahlia's market. What is your goals in life? I want to be a doctor. How about you? I want to be a teacher. By the way, I should go home. See you later, Jessie. Okay, see you.
Oke, Miss mau tanya, apa kata sapaan yang ada dalam?
Hi, good morning.
Yes,
See you.
Coba
Nice to meet you.
katakannya ya. Saya mau ambil nilai keaktifan. Oke, yang pamitan tadi apa?
See you, Miss.
Angkat tangannya ya, Miss.
See you, Miss.
Siapa namanya?
Di beberapa bahasa di absen keempat, Miss.
Apa tadi jawabannya?
See you, Miss.
See you. Benar jawabannya see you. Yang lain dengarnya sama? So, Miss mau tanya, tadi percakapan tersebut itu menceritakan tentang apa? Dua orang itu tadi mereka lagi ngapain? Angkat tangannya coba. Siapa yang bisa tadi kakak ini? Siapa? Coba. Namanya siapa? Apa jawabannya? Yang lain setuju? Yes. Benar ya, memperkenalkan diri. Berarti ini udah harus anggap termasuk paham ya kalian. Oke, kita masuk ke audio yang kedua. Ini mungkin agak lebih sulit, tapi enggak sih.
Hi, Irma.
Is that you?
Kita ulang ya, dengan
Hi,
baik-baik.
Irma.
Oke.
Hi, Irma.
Erna, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. What do you think about my new hair?
I think you look so cute and pretty with this hair.
Thank you. What are you doing here?
I'm thinking about my brother's birthday in a few days. I don't know what gift to give him. Do you have any ideas?
How about you give a gift related to his hobby? By the way, what's his hobby?
Her hobby is playing volleyball. What do you think I should do?
I think you should give him volleyball shoes for gifts.
Wow, great idea. May I ask you to accompany me to buy that shoes?
Let me accompany you to buy it.
Thank you very much, Erna.
You're welcome.
Oke. Ini tadi percakapan ini mereka ngapain?
Pendapat, Miss.
Siapa kayak ini? Bisa? Saya bertanya yang pengalamannya. Berarti itu bertanya tentang pendapat.
Opinion.
Asking opinion. Iya, benar. Oke, selanjutnya Miss mau ini ya, mau minta dua orang maju ke depan untuk mempraktekkan conversation dari Miss. Ini ada udahan teksnya dari Miss ya. Nanti kalian maju. Siapa yang mau jadi volunteer? Maju. Itu dia Farah, satu lagi. Orange, ini perempuan dulu ya. Najla, silakan. Yang lain dengarkan ya apa percakapannya. Nanti Miss tanya itu mereka ngapain. Kuat ya suara louder. Ya. Dengarkan baik-baik. Hi Mia, how are you? Hi Tina, long time no see. I'm good. How about you? I'm fine also Mia. What books are you looking for in this library? I'm looking for some novels. Oh, I think novel is in second floor. Thank you for the information Tina. See you later then. Sure Mia, see you later. Oke, coba siapa yang bisa menjawab kata sapaan apa tadi yang disebut mereka?
Long time no see. Long time.
Long time no see.
Ya, benar. Selanjutnya yang kata pamitannya? See you.
See you.
See you. Ini tadi mereka berbicara tentang apa? Coba.
Mereka apa namanya? Udah lama nggak bertemu.
Mau beli novel, Miss.
Iya. Benar? Coba ya, Nih. Tahu nggak? Bukan beli novel. Di library ada 10 soal ya. Kita mulai ya sekarang. Oke, Jasmine.
Good morning. I need to talk to someone about my room.
Sure, what seems to be the problem?
Well, for starters, the air conditioner is not working at all.
Kurang kedengaran ya? Udah buat kamu suka. Coba ya. Jadi untuk conversation pertama udah selesai semua? Sudah. Kita lanjut yang kedua ya. Oke, kita lanjut ke conversation yang kedua ya. Listen carefully.
Have you seen the old trunk from the Jenny? Have you seen the old trunk from the storage? It had all my childhood stuff.
Oh, Alex. I know Miss Jumping gave it away during the last cleanup.
What? That trunk had my first baseball glove and comic collection.
I'm so sorry, Alex. I had no idea. I was just trying to declutter the storage.
That trunk meant a lot to me. It had memories from when Mom and Dad were still around.
I can't believe I did that. Let's try and find it again.
Jenny, have you
Ya, semua udah terisi? Sudah. Jadi kalau usah kita ulang lagi, langsung kita jawab aja ya. Silakan buka sama teman sebangkunya. Kita jawab bareng-bareng. Nomor 1, number 1. Ada yang mau menjawab? Ini sekalian ambil poin keaktifan. Kakak yang pakai jilbab ini. Silakan. Dia nih kakak yang ini jawabannya. Jawabannya aja. Apa? Tapi ya, conversation pertama. Apa itu air conditioner? Oh iya, Miss, seingat Miss minggu depan kita akan ulangan. Ya, ulangan. Jadi sebelum ulangan, Miss minta kalian praktek. Ada pertanyaan untuk tugas atau materi hari ini? Apa dia?
Kira-kira itu nanti di hari apa Miss prakteknya?
Ya di hari ini juga minggu depan.
Tapi diulangan dulu.
Iya, di hari ulangan sebelum kita mulai ulangan. Jadi biar sekalian kalian untuk mengulang materi itu ya. Isinya apa Miss? Isinya tentang ini conversation masuk, idiomatic masuk, sama text procedure yang baru kita pelajari juga masuk.
Oke, Miss.
Sedikit kok, gampang-gampang. Bisa soal semua. Berapa soal ya? 5.
5.